get your own version of this song. Josh, please sing your own version of this song.
I want to run. I want to roll. I want to rafia. Alama jani oyile ma. I want to see mali malona loda otilo. Alama na saye oyile ma.
What did you do that song? I don't forget that song. Mofeishu. Sing it.
I want you to be in the procession now.
Oh, it did him.
Okay, yeah, that is.
Okay, don't say I'm okay.
Him 291.
Okay, 291.
Oh, wait, before you sing them, somebody down the line. Hello, hold him. Good evening.
Hello.
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 Good evening.
Good evening with you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I like Wazobia TV.
Yeah, we like you too.
Now you can't decide to use sexy voice. Take talk to us this night.
I like Wazobia TV. You guys are really
Wazobia TV like you too.
One like, thank you.
Never see this kind of TV station in Nigeria.
Oh, thank you.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
And greet my guy for me, just comedian guy.
In the year now,
Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss. Thumbs up.
We really enjoy you.
When they really enjoying your too.
And this is my short man, sir.
Oh, me, you are short man, sir.
I dey gbadun you too.
No, they too bad. I'm not man, no.
Small but mighty.
For that day, the other small but mighty.
Thank
The way this guy take him, so baby, I say you go so call fire employment.
Anyway, we are going to take our hymnal procession from hymn 291. Brother Josh, please.
Mo fẹ́ issue now, like guitar. Mo fẹ́ issue, I just want to lead you now. Mo fẹ́ issue, I just want to lead you now. Fẹ́ issue, mo fẹ́ issue, I just want to lead you now.
Praise the Lord.
Part 2, part 3, put on for part 4. I'm gonna obey. PK, I'll be here watching for part 2. Mo fẹ́ issue, now.
Hello, good evening. Mimosas. My brother, na madman, we carry come here. In our well.
Wazobia is on fire. Fire brigade, come.
In our well,
How can I be well?
We know well.
How can I be well, ma? How can I be well? You know the situation of this country. Will you advise your child to be well? Will you advise Osas to be well? I feel you, my sister. I feel you.
Mama says, how your children?
Don't give me the food that they eat pepper while I turn my nose.
Eat, chop.
I not chop.
When?
Why I go chop? I don't leave the food, so now me on one food.
Okay, now which song you want to make it sing for you now?
We all have issues.
Okay, nothing happen. Mama says, hello, Mama, good night. Mama, you go sing from Asaba. Hello. Uche, good evening.
How are you?
Good evening, Nedu.
Good evening.
Talk to us. Good evening.
Josh.
Yes, boss.
Funny face.
Hey.
I don't give you my own name. Oh.
Funny face. This face.
When they talk to all these Igbo people anyhow, they provoke. Oh.
We are at Igbo too now, so all of the provoke is our provoke.
Is our provoke? Is it your provoke?
Then no.
You say you do all listen to the English while they speak all these things. Only you. Now I won't do all those things. You won't collect all the Nigerian money.
My brother, you know the condition we are in. Won't you advise I do more?
I don't know.
And they do everything too.
Yeah. See pot calling spoon, kitchen utensil.
No, thank you. Nedu.
Hey, my brother. Hey.
How we there now?
Nah, kapasa to one na.
Aparamo. Okay. No problem. Good night.
Good night. Peace before you sleep. Peace. Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
From Marina.
Yeah.
Yeah, Marine Spirit.
Nedu?
Eh?
Yeah, they.
Yeah, na lafa ya kake ya yo abukina.
Yeah, bamutum.
Ya kake.
Kai babban mutum ne.
To ya zai to mun gode Allah. Ai kai ma babban mutum ne. Tunda ka kira ni yanzu nan kai babban mutum ne wallahi tallahi.
So say you give me that coffee again you confide me I fit nyen kai tie me you confide ko. You say ndu bia me you confide bo nto ye na ba die u for ba die an wan for do die.
That now.
I agree with you. I agree with what she said.
Now go there go.
That don't where she talk now, not him.
Yeah, that part.
That is it.
Not him.
Hello?
Hello.
How are you?
Nedu? You know what? Now you're like past there.
My brother, I'm not be there alone.
You are a man, no. The only man they do, I like pass.
No be that level.
Okay, thank you. I thank God say you clarify him.
But I like you for news past here.
My brother, you know that's like everything. Now something you must like something past something.
Another thing, I need the way you know put that jara on now.
No, tomorrow I will put Jara because of you.
Jara get it. You decide.
Put jara,
I go put Jara. Messi. I will put Jara.
What do you want buy from him? Now, Gary, they find or beans or rice.
It's alright. I'm a first time caller. It's alright.
First time caller.
Now, that's how first time call. Now you they talk like this, like somebody who don't dare the house and the community.
Katim, welcome.
Welcome, Kenya. So first time. He saying like you pass.
I now want to thank you very much. Good night. Jeff from Holland. Good evening.
How can you do?
Hey, Jeff.
A long time.
We bow and tremble.
We bow and tremble in your presence.
That is it.
Abby.
Yes.
Abby.
Katim, how you doing now?
See me here now, my brother. I'm talking. We are greeting you, all of us, plus our ancestors.
It's the Koyo.
Don't worry.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a compliment of the season. We don't see any message for Easter.
My brother. I beg, when I make my day, man, I on fire, man.
Oh,
Now this madman, where they here?
This Josh, man, this man, man.
Yes, boss. That's what's up. That's how we roll.
This one we call talent, man.
Yes, boss.
In our way.
Yeah, keep it up. You don't well.
Yeah, thank you. I will never well. Don't expect me to well, no.
Oh, yeah, no, thank you very much. I got Jeff. Greet your wife for us.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Hello.
This guy, man. Not your well.
Okay, now, hello. That new Adele song.
It's not hello, now it's zero.
Okay.
Zero.
Ungwa sing for us. Him, I think it's him 222.
Yeah, 2158.
Oh, 2158.
Okay.
My album wine and long. It used to be long.
Okay.
Hello, she's me. I am wondering if after all this, so hello in the other side. Hello in the other side. Hello. That is the short hit.
No, nothing to give me.
You and she guys are supposed to do song together.
We are working on it.
You are working on it.
You and David, there's no difference.
You will hum it.
You will who
The hum is a verse in there. But they don't just put it. So that comedy, there won't be chance.
Hello, who the line?
Imagine.
Stephen from Mushi.
Imagine she and the chicken.
Calling from Mushi.
You
dey sleep?
You dey sleep?
Hello?
We wake you up.
Yeah, can you hear me?
We can hear you.
Okay. Sorry, I want to know, maybe I'm sorry to ask you. How old are you? I want to know your age, maybe.
No, okay, you know what's happen there? How the thing there? Now, see that match where Super Eagles play.
Yes.
It not just enter because I didn't Egypt play well. Russia and Holland
And Malaysia.
therefore not do well. So now make House of Assembly Congo
Baka.
Congo by goalkeeper.
Now they can't enter the Mongo Park set.
You understand? Messi now. All those things now. Obama call
Enter. put
just
mouth
scatter.
inside.
The way
Nothing
Obama
dey
take do I can't pop. I don't like her.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. Now we answer you so.
Why is it every Nigerian man is supposed to be at your age? Why is it difficult for you to answer?
Yes, now we they tell you so.
The fuel.
The fuel. Where not there?
Trigger that Super Eagles performance.
I'm telling you.
Now we they tell you say that time Egypt and Malaysia that time when they play.
When they
If
play
to
the
say
video.
yes.
The video. And if you see that 3, where they data, let me come not agree come out. Because if you pass data, come follow Asaba.
Yes.
You go fit 2 hours, you go fit enter Benin.
Then you come be like say you there on the search for Mongo Park.
You understand?
Yes.
Thank you. Good night.
Okay.
You find trouble. You get trouble.
yeah.
Hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, it's me.
Ma, she's me.
Good evening.
Evening, yo.
Well done, Katim.
Well done, yo.
Mr. Katim.
Now, Josh, tell us, for this comedy where you don't do, how long you don't do comedy?
Professionally, I don't do comedy for like 8 years now.
Wow.
8 years since I finished school, at least I don't do hustle. They try.
If they get money, they come.
Money they come. If money is not coming, why am I here?
In house, stand by.
From Banana Island.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.